Hello, Facebook. Good morning, Facebook. Hello, Instagram, YouTube. Marcus here. It is Thursday morning, and we have been very blessed this fall to have some great weather. And especially on weekends. Most of you know we have a garden back here, and we have the tent there, we have the fire pit, we have some of these heaters here. But I want to talk about something new that we just got in here in the garden, something brand new. Super excited about these. Let's see. So we are doing patio dining, garden dining, doing garden dining as much as we can here. Not really many people want to eat inside right now. I did a Facebook Live, I don't know, about 4 weeks ago. I said, who's ready to eat inside? And a lot of people said yes, like 80% of the people. And they were like, yeah, we're ready to eat inside. Well, the reality is when everybody shows up now, they're not wanting to go inside. I would say it's opposite. Only maybe 20% of people are comfortable eating inside, even though we're spaced out, socially distanced, and we have boundaries and partitions before in between the tables. We have all these old vintage doors that I bought and cleaned up and sealed off, and they're in between a lot of the tables, and we're only at 50% capacity inside. So I was saying, why don't we make the outside more comfortable? Because that seems to be what's happening. People are literally sitting out here with blankets, gloves, hats. Their food's getting served, and the food gets cold because it's cold out here. Then we even had somebody say last week, well, my wine got cold. Well, of course, because it's cold out. So these patio heaters I got back in June, and there was a 6-week wait for those. I literally ordered them at the beginning of June, and they didn't come until July 4th weekend. There's another patio heater right there. See that one right there? That's a tower one. And I have 2 of these. I bought the good Canadian ones, the Crown Verities. They're really nice. They put out like 54,000 BTUs of heat. And then I also have let's see, right there, I have an electric plug-in. I just don't have enough electric out here to run more of those electric plug-ins. Else I would buy some more of those. Those put off an insane amount of like direct heat. They're really great. So I was searching some options, and I saw what a friend did in his restaurant, and I was like, these are pretty cool. So we just picked up tabletop heaters. So we picked up these little mini 3-foot tabletop heaters. And it looks like I gotta adjust my camera here. So I'm on a tripod. Just give me one moment here and get that out of the lens. There we go. So we picked up these mini 3-foot tall table heaters. I have 4 of these for out back here. That goes right on the table. They're 11,000 BTUs, and they cover the table nicely. We put them together yesterday. We tested them out. I got them on 4 tables out here under the tent, and 1 not under the tent. And if you're sitting right here at this table, it gets nice and toasty. So these are exciting, and got 4 of them in. A friend of mine who did these, the fire department made him fasten them to the tables. So I said, that's a great idea. So we zip tied them to the tables. I would hate for somebody to pick these up and just start walking around the back here with it and trip and fall. So they are fastened to the tables. They're zip tied to the tables. We drilled holes in them and zip tied them to the tables. So unfortunately, we cannot just move them around, which is a great safety measure. And they can't fall off the table. So they're fastened to the table. So that table is going to have that heater all night on it. Really, and we fired up 2 of these yesterday to test them out, and they really do work great. So we are super excited about it. That's what's new in the garden, folks. 4 little mini tabletop heaters. We have 3 of the other patio heaters. We have 4 other patio heaters, and just trying to make it more comfortable outside for people sitting outside. It's supposed to be 70 degrees on Saturday, so we won't really need those until later at night. The heaters, but it's supposed to be 70 degrees on Saturday, another beautiful day. Sunday's not quite going to be that kind of weather. The leaves here are at their peak. If you're tuning in from a distance, let's see if we can see the mountain here. So there's the mountain, right? The leaves are in their peak right now. They are amazing to see that. The mountain there is just beautiful. All right, that's it, folks. It's Thursday night. It's burger night, $9.99 burger night. It is Sundays. We're doing our $9.99 special. Thanksgiving. People have been asking us about Thanksgiving. People have been trying to book Thanksgiving reservations. We're only doing takeout on Thanksgiving. From 11 to 2, we're doing takeout. We're doing obviously turkey. We're doing a vegetarian turkey option. We are doing a couple other menu items like our salmon and our ribeye steak, and that's about it. But the price will be getting posted on the website very soon. So you'll be able to buy per person. It's not going to be like you have to take the whole turkey and you have to take all this. It's going to be per person. So you order if you're 2, you're 3, you're 8 people. You order and we make as much food for you for that many people. So that's how that'll work.
$9.99 burgers to go
tonight. Yep, $9.99 burgers to go tonight. Sunday night is our mussels and shrimp curry, green curry to go, $9.99. And Monday is buy one get one wings. Best deal ever on wings. To go. Those are all to go specials, and which we do a lot. We're doing a tremendous amount of to go. So if you're doing to go, you can call early. You don't need to wait till 5 o'clock. We open at 5 o'clock in the weekdays. You do not need to wait till 5 o'clock. You can call at 3 o'clock, at 2 o'clock. Whenever you know you want something for that night, if it's like wings, you can call early in the morning. Don't think you need to wait. After 11. Because what's going to happen is if you call at 6 o'clock and say, I'd love, an order of wings and a burger and whatever, salmon, we're probably going to tell you it's an hour wait because the kitchen is busy and we try not to back the kitchen up. And sometimes people don't understand, well, gee, what do you mean it's a Monday night? I just can't call in and come in 20 minutes back on my food. No, because there's already other people. There's already 40 other people that have called before you that their food has to get out. So that's the situation with that. So call ahead of time if you can. Once it gets later, like 7 o'clock, there really is no wait issues. But it's at 5 to 5:30 to 6:30 time that a lot of people are doing takeout. And I know that a lot of people don't decide until they do takeout a lot of people don't decide what's for dinner until like 4:30, 5 o'clock. We understand that. That's just the way life is with a lot of people. And Jamie tries to do her Facebook Live most days at 4 o'clock, just so there's a gentle reminder that, hey, we're here. We've got plenty of alcohol and we've got plenty of food. So we try to do this at 4 o'clock on the days that we're open. And that's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I see Aileen on, and Mark is on, Terry's on. Hi, Shauna. Hi, Christine. Good morning, everybody else. Greg is on. Let's see. Pamela's on. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Shannon. Everybody just drop a comment of where you're tuning in from, or drop a comment live. If you like those patio heaters, those mini patio heaters that we got, drop a comment, say yes. I'll do one more if you're just tuning in. What's exciting in the garden is we have got these little mini patio heaters. They're 3 foot tall patio heaters. They run on the little 1 pound propane tanks, and they produce about 11,000 BTUs of heat, and it covers just your table, just the table that you're sitting at, and they're mounted on the tables. I mounted them on the tables for safety so people couldn't just pick them up and walk around with them. So here we go, right? So that's it. Right on the tables. We got 4 of these. They just came in yesterday. We assembled them. We still have our big ones that cover, those are 50,000 BTUs. That tower right there is about 45, I think, thousand BTUs. Those are the Canadian ones. The Crown Verities are really good ones. These ones, the tabletop ones, are the only ones I could find, but they're 3 feet. They're mounted right onto the tables. There's 4 tables under the tent, or 3 tables on the tent that has it. The 4th table's out there, but the 4th table under the tent has that electric plug-in. So all the tables really have heat underneath the tent, which is great. We're finding that people just want to keep sitting outside, and they're sitting outside and they're bringing blankets and they're sitting outside. So we're just trying to make it a bit more comfortable. And of course, the biggest heat source back here is the fire pit. And look, we just got brand new firewood in. Yesterday we stacked a cord of firewood. So the fire pit is on every night as well. The great thing about the fire pit is it looks beautiful. It's great ambience. It produces a lot of heat, but it does get smoky sometimes because it is real fire. And that's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate the support. And again, just drop a comment, #live, or where you're tuning in from. If you like those little mini heaters, those 3-footers, drop a comment, say yes. And excellent, folks. Got to get going. Got to get on some phone calls. Talk to everybody later. Have a great, fantastic, have an amazing weekend. And we'll hope to see you soon.